Hi, my name is Dennis and today I'll walk you through this fully integrated Hisense dishwasher with excellent cleaning and drying performance. It can easily wash and dry up to 16 place settings, which is well over 240 individual pieces like spoons, forks, knives, plates, pots, and even large pans. When the wash cycle is over, the auto-dry technology kicks in by automatically opening the door slightly, letting out excess steam, ensuring washed items dry completely, even the plastic ones like Tupperware or baby bottles. Also, a special status LED light is placed on the lower part of the dishwasher door, indicating whether the washing cycle is still in progress. If the LED light is off, the washing cycle and drying cycle are finished and you can start unloading the clean dishes. And check out this touch control panel for intuitive and easy to navigate settings. Operating the dishwasher is now a breeze, simple and very ergonomical. Now for the inside, it was well thought of and it's extremely adaptable and adjustable depending on your needs. In this model we can see 3 sturdy baskets, some have only 2. This is the one we call the third basket, which is basically shaped like a special tray where we arrange the cutlery to ensure best washing and drying results, all thanks to an improved and very efficient top arm spray. It may seem like you need to put some extra effort to arrange everything neatly, but trust us, it's worth the hassle, because once you have it, you can never go back to a regular cutlery basket. The second basket, the one in the middle, is movable, meaning adjustable in height, which enables easy loading even of the biggest pots and pans. It's got 3 levels of adjustment, providing more flexible space, making this dishwasher truly easy to use. The middle and the lowest baskets have an innovative system of folding the plate supports, which also allows for positioning and washing, again, of very, very large pots. Moving on to programs, even with a full house, you can now clean all your dishes at once in this high-capacity Hisense dishwasher by running one of the 5 different wash cycles, from heavy to normal, almost all with a boost option. The ones that deserve extra mentioning is, first of all, the Night Programe, working with a noise level of only 37 decibel, which equals to being in a library, meaning super silent performance. Namely, this dishwasher runs on a powerful brushless inverter motor, working extremely efficient water and energy-wise. Automatic program, which will automatically adjust the washing to the amount of dishes and their dirtiness thanks to a special sensor technology. Followed closely by an intensive program with extra hygiene options for baby bottles, mason jars and similar. And there's a 15-minute fast cleaning program which takes just 15 minutes and is suitable for half-loaded dishwashers. Its self-cleaning function, ran once a month, will keep it pristine and the washing will always be spot on with the best cleaning results. This fully integrated Hisense dishwasher is made entirely in Europe, so you've got European quality, European design. They're reliable, smart, good looking, and above all, very easy to use.